There's a strange new trend going on at the office. People are starting to put names on the food in the break room refrigerator. Today I had a tuna fish sandwich named Kevin. What's going on, everybody? Boy, it is hot out here. It is hotter than a toasted cheeser, Benny man.
I'm baking like a toasted cheeser. It's so hot here.
We got ourselves a little update video here for you for the Daninator channel. I'm super excited to be able to say that the Daninator channel has crossed 10,000 subscribers. Just another mind grenade right there. I cannot believe the channel has grown this much, and I do appreciate everybody's support and subscribing, and I hope you like the content. We'll keep doing this as long as we can. So anyway, saying all that because I have an idea to kind of do a fun 10,000 subscriber video, so that's going to be kind of coming up, so stay tuned for that. Also, when we crossed 5,000 subscribers, we did a giveaway, and my plan is to do the same thing. Gimme, I need. So stay tuned, we'll have some details for a giveaway, and appreciate everybody's support and subscribing to the channel. Look forward to more growth in the future. So again, thanks for helping make this possible. Do what? This? Oh, this is a cherry bomb glass pack. You guys don't walk around with cherry bomb on your shoulder? Huh. Well, there's a reason why I have this cherry bomb on my shoulder. I'm cleaning up from the video that I just recorded of the 4 cherry bombs on my Chevrolet Camaro with the 3.8 liter V6 motor. My son and I spent the greater part of a day putting the mufflers on this car and going up and down the road doing sound tests like we did with the Yukon and the Silverado. Can't wait to show that to you. I've got it all recorded. I need to edit that video and get that out soon. Let me just give you a real quick teaser. There's our cherry bomb turbo muffler that we've got on the car right now. So if you want to hear how that sounds, be sure to stay tuned. That will be coming out soon. I know some of you guys have been asking for it, and I've been waiting a long time to get to it. I've had some repair work I had to do to it first, and we got a nice long weekend. It's Memorial Weekend. Hopefully you guys can appreciate just how much work goes into that and how much gas I use to be able to run up and down the road as much as I do for that. So that's coming soon. Well, I still have the stock muffler from the Camaro. Just like I did with the Silverado stock muffler, I'm going to cut that Camaro muffler open too. I'm curious to see how that thing's designed on the inside. Alright, since I put all 4 of those mufflers on my Camaro, I had to take off the muffler off of my Silverado. And I was running the Cherry Bomb Extreme, and I've had it on there for several months now, and burned all the paint off of it. But so I had to take that off my pickup, and so I've been running the pickup a couple times now with no muffler at all. It is very loud, but I've had several of you guys and comment in the videos with the Silverado to just straight pipe it, just straight pipe it. Well, I'm considering it. I'm thinking about it. If you guys want to see what this truck sounds like straight piped, just give the video a thumbs up. Comment below if you want to see it straight piped. I am considering it now. So I just have the pipe cut right where the muffler was. Just basically took off the Extreme, and so now there's no muffler on it. To straight pipe it, I'll probably find a long piece of pipe and just connect that with the tailpipe. So we shall see. If I do it, maybe I'll do a video where I'm running up and down the road with it and do some sound tests. Maybe get out on the interstate or something and just drive for a while, maybe give some feedback. So if you want to see me do that, just like the video, send a comment below, and I'll consider it. Well, one of the other things I did with the truck is the air conditioning was not working, so I put some more R134A in it, and if you look right here, this is the spot where you put your charge on. So I've got a canister of R134A, put the little hose thing on it, connect it to that fitting, have the engine running with the air conditioner on, and just hold the can upside down and kind of shake it, and it just loaded up some more Freon into the truck. So now I've got ice cold air conditioning. My Trailblazer that we bought, the air conditioning is not working on that, so my wife's been driving the truck, we've been driving the truck, and been using that for our family vehicle until I can get the Trailblazer fixed. I also had to charge up the Camaro with some refrigerant. I just hooked on right here, and same concept with the pickup, just had the car running and hooked it on right there, shook the canister, charged it up, and so the air conditioning is working nice and cold on the Camaro too. So one of the big projects left on my plate, and I've got a short time frame to get it done, is my family and I have planned a trip this summer to go visit some family out of state, and the Trailblazer is needing some major work still. The whole front end needs redone. I've mentioned this before. The control arms, the bushings, the wheel bearings, and every bit of that's going to come off of the other Trailblazer that we bought for 460 bucks. You can check out my video on purchasing that. And so I got an air conditioner compressor to change on that. I'm going to have to get that charged up, and a whole front end job on that Trailblazer. I've got to have that thing ready to go by the time we take off for a little mini vacation to go visit family. So that's what's going on in my neck of the woods. I've got a lot on my plate. Obviously I work full time, so this is something I always have to do on my spare time. My wife and I also own a little side business that keeps us busy part-time, and I also coach baseball for my son's baseball team. So we are busier than one-armed paper hangers, and feel like we're always running circles. But I'm going to try to do the best I can to get these projects done. And again, stay tuned. Look forward to releasing some fun videos. Again, I will have some repair videos coming up in the future as well. So again, I can't imagine finally hitting 10,000 subscribers. I never thought that I would hit that mark, at least not this quick, and I do appreciate everybody's support. Thank you for watching the videos, leaving feedback. I always enjoy reading what you guys have to say, even sometimes if it is a little critical, so be it, but I appreciate every bit of it. So thanks for watching. God bless. We'll see you next time. Get to work. Don't you have something to do? You need to go get a job. Get a haircut.